We need to go pick a winner. Is my camera moving? And at the end of the... Hello, my sweet friends. Welcome to Fibro... Let's get it in the... There we go. Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. How are you? Oh, it's October. It's October 2022, just in case you're seeing this much later. I don't know when you're gonna see it, you know? We are just about to start really seriously getting ready to head to Rhinebeck. John is off work for the next week, so he's pretty excited. I have had a crazy day, but a very good one. And he brought in the mail, and inside was my Paradise Fiber subscriptions. So if you're new, you might be wondering why there's two. They send me one to open on my channel to show all of you, and then I buy one and I give it away to a commenter during the previous month, basically. If you want to enter to win next month's package, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video starting on this one all the way until the next package shows up at my house. At the end of this video, there will be a random drawing from the comments from the previous month for this package, which was the camel down, in case you don't remember. It's a pretty cool one. So stay to the end. Very cute packaging this month. It says happy fall, y'all. Love it. I'm trying really hard to embrace fall. I'm not doing too badly this year. I'm not doing too great either. I don't know. So we're getting excited for New York Sheep and Wool. We'll be camping. So there's stuff to get ready for travel and camping, and I'm excited. I'm super excited to just like take some time off with my best buddy. That's John. And also Louie will be coming with us. That's really why we're camping, so we can take him with. But anyway, just in case you're wondering how much I'm trying to embrace fall, let me quick pan across this table so you can see. I am very serious this year about autumn. All right? Before I open this, I've really been trying hard to embrace fall this year. I really miss summer. You know, I love it. I've talked about it a million times, blah, 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 blah. What are some things that you love about the changing of the seasons from summer to winter? What do you love about it? Hot cider, cider donuts. It's a food theme apparently. Do you love to see the colors changing? Do you like it cooling down so that you can wear hoodies or flannel shirts? Or, I mean, if you're somebody who at least has something that you like about it, what do you like about it? I need your help. I'm going to embrace it. I'm going to do better this year. I have a lot to be thankful for. I write in a gratitude journal every single day, but I hate to see summer go away. It's just the truth. So tell me, what are your favorite things? I need to be celebrating what's great and wonderful about autumn. I'm trying. I swear I'm really trying. I'm very trying. I'm doing my best. And I got my scissors ready. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. It's cute. It's on both sides. And let's get into this package. I am seriously looking forward to this. I think I'm going to take a wheel with me. So I'll probably take it with. We'll see. We'll see what it is, I guess. I have not gotten my fall decor, like home decor out yet, except my Halloween wreath. Have you seen it? Do you remember it from last year? Ooh, that's the only thing I have out. That's only because I felt guilty. All right, so first let's take out our cards. I can feel them. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh, nice. Ooh. Okay. All right. Again, happy fall, y'all. Let's see. So this is what's in my bag. It was kind of rolled up in there. Not a problem. Also, looks like, oh, okay. It looks like this is about the blend in here. So let's go ahead and open it first. Okay. Wow. 8 ounces this month. this month we got Space Dyed Wool. Neptune is the colorway. 8 ounces. Oh my gosh. Okay, this totally reminds me of something. Oh wow, it's really colorful. Here it is in the bag. I don't know what breed this would be. I can't tell from feeling it, and I don't think it said, did it? It does not say. 8 ounces is a big ball of wool. I mean, you know, I'm 5'10", so I have bigger hands than most. This is a lot of wool. And there is actually on this card, there is a picture of what it could look like spun. Of course, it depends on how you spin it. So this is one possibility of the way it might look when you spin it. I mean, you know, it all depends on how you spin it. And also, here's another picture of how it might look spun. It's just basically describing, it's describing the colorway, saying it actually refers to it as a hot mess of competing colors, and it says, once I started spinning, it was a delight to watch as those vivid contrasts tamed one another into beautifully subtle autumn perfect hues. I can see how that would happen. We're gonna spin this right away. I'm actually excited. Let's do it. Okay. Oh, there's more stuff in our bag. I got so distracted by this. It's a perfect opportunity for us to explore some things with color. So we will definitely be doing that in this spin. There's more in my bag. Okay. There's a Notions bag. It says cinnamon vanilla stash tea. Cinnamon vanilla stash tea. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little bit of a light reflection. Wild mint wool soak. So I heard somebody tell me such a smart thing with these. I love them and I like to be able to try them out, but also she puts them in with gifts. When she knits them, like hand knitted wool gifts, she puts them in with them, and I'm like, how smart are you? So, but I'll be keeping this because, I don't know, frankly, at this point, you know, I deserve it. A Car Mule apple vinyl sheep sticker. Oh, cute. The sticker's cute this month. Car Mule apple. Get it? I like it. It's really cute. And then Autumn Filigree Leaf Stitch Marker. Very pretty. That is very pretty. There's actually 2 leaves. Oh my word. There's actually 2 leaves on the stitch marker. That is so pretty. I have the best stitch marker collection, and it's really all thanks to Paradise Fibers. Also this month they have the 10% off for club members on the Space Dyed Wool range. So there must be other colors in the range. And then it says an extended 10% discount on Soak's new Wild Mint Soak Wash. So it's not just this, it's also the soak wash that came in. And it says all Addy Rocket squared circular knitting needles. That sounds funny when you say squared circular, but I know what you're saying. It says, and then there's a link, and it actually gives the code, because when you're a club member, you get 10% off whenever you buy more of the fiber that's in the package. I'm actually very excited to get to this. I've got to finish a project on my wheel. I'm going to be working on that like crazy this weekend so I can take this with me to New York. Thanks, Paradise. I'll be starting to spin this up really soon, and I love it. And I especially love the stitch marker in this package. Let's go draw for a winner of the camel down from last month. So if you are new, the way it works is first I pick a video out of all the videos from the past month. I cannot count member videos because only members can comment on those. And then on the lives, if you're chatting on the live, it doesn't show up in the comments, so you actually have to leave a real comment on a live video. Last month's was September 8th. Oh, bubs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then lives. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this will give us which video? It's number 1. Last month's unboxing video. Where is it? We just grab a link. And then we go to random comment picker. That one. And hit start. You're up, you win, and yes, I will totally ship it around the world to you. So all you have to do is send me your snail mail address and I will get it in the mail to you. Congratulations. So I will see you guys Sunday for a live, and then Tuesday there will be a video scheduled. I just finished editing it today. I hope you have a great week and I will see you soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.